Grade 12, Lesson 7, Advanced SQL Part 3. Good day everybody and welcome to the 7th grade 12 database lesson. We will look at the last part of the Advanced SQL subset. Let's begin. As a note, please note there will be no Delphi example as these are quite trivial and it has been seen in previous videos. Now what will we cover? We will cover count, max, min, sum, and average. Now these are all called aggregate functions. There are many more as the reference will have, but these are the most popular ones. Let's begin with count. So there's our table. So what's the purpose of count? Count the number of rows in the result set. So for example, select count ID from employee. So it counts all of the IDs in employee. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the result will be 5. Now, count can be used together with where as seen in previous videos. Let's look at max. The purpose. Returns the maximum value of a field from a result set. For example, select max age from employee. If we look at ages, we will notice that the result will be 86. That is our eldest age in employee. Again, can be used together with where as seen in previous videos. Now, max has not been explicitly used, but can be used the same as count. Now, let's look at min. The purpose returns the minimum value of a field from the result set. For example, select the minimum age from employee. So if we look at our table, we see the minimum age is 42. Thus our result is 42. Again, can be used together with where as seen in previous videos. Again, has not been used explicitly, but works the same as count. Now, let's look at sum. Purpose. Returns the sum or grand total of all the fields from a field from a result set. So in other words, it counts. If we say to it, count this field, it will count up all the rows, fields, and count them all together. So for example, select sum of income from employee. The result will be 203,000. So if we count up all the income fields, so 67,000, 37,000, 9,000, 75,000, and 15,000, we will get 203,000. Can be used together with where as seen in previous videos. Now let's look at average. The purpose returns the average of all the records of a field from a result set. So for example, select the average from age of the employees. So if we count them all up and we divide, we get 69.2. Again, can be used with where as seen in previous videos. Now this is quite a short video as this concepts are really trivial. So our references. Now, do yourself a favor and go to W3 Schools and do their SQL quizzes and tutorials. It's very interactive. You can even generate your own SQL statements using their built-in databases. I highly recommend doing this for exam and test preparations, but also just to explore all the mass variety of options SQL does offer. They explain all the work that we have covered in this course or in these videos. So I highly recommend you use it. W3 Schools was used extensively in the making of all of these videos. So think about how all of these can work together and practice, experiment, and have fun. Thank you for watching.